front of me is XIAOMI 13 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings. Now tap on Bluetooth over here and tap on this gray switcher next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. In order to connect, select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this little icon next to the device, select unpair, and to connect to the same one, just click on it. Then select pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!